Hey guys, welcome to Lognups. Today I'll be showing how to auto save photos from your messenger to your gallery. And now let's dive right in. Now to auto download the messenger photos to your phone, first open up your messenger on your phone. And after you have opened your messenger, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three lined icon over there. Tap on that three lined icon like this. And after that, and when this interface opens, at the top right corner of this interface you can see the settings on the gear icon. Tap on that settings like this and scroll down, and you can see the photos and media options available for us over here just above the chat heads. Tap on photos and media like this, and over here you can see the save on capture option available. If the toggle icon or that option is turned off, turn it on, and when you have turned it on, all of the photos or the incoming messenger videos and photos will be started to download on your phone. That being said, there guys, this is how you auto save photos on your messenger. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.